Hey, it's Edmund here, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install the latest version of OptimizePress, currently at 3.0. And I'm doing this because I don't see any of these tutorials out there on the internet, and although OptimizePress itself has a tutorial, I'm going to show you how I would have done it anyway. Alright, so to get started, before you continue, make sure that you already have your own WordPress website and you've already bought your copy of OptimizePress 3.0 with your own license. So it doesn't matter whether you have the 1 license website or 30 license or even unlimited for that matter. Okay, so the first step you got to do is that you make sure that you are logged into your OptimizePress account. So this is mine here right now, and what we're going to do is that we're going to download the dashboard plugin. So let's go here right now, and as you can see that the dashboard plugin is being downloaded. So it's a plugin size of like 5.2 megabytes, rather small. And yeah, let's just have it downloaded first. Okay, so that was downloaded. I have it in my desktop, and the next step we're going to do is that we're going to log into the WordPress site. So I have my own WordPress site here, and I'm using this as a staging example. You will definitely be using your own WordPress site, so make sure you're logged into your own WordPress site at the admin panel. And what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the menu on the left, go to plugins, select add new. And the next thing we're going to do is we'll select this thing called upload plugin, choose file, we'll select the zip file that we have just downloaded, which is this one, OP dashboard current version, and click install now. That was a relatively fast process that took just a few seconds, and I'm going to click on activate plugin. Okay, we're almost done. There's one more step we got to do, and that is to connect our OptimizePress account. So that's how we license the site. Okay, we click on connect. So this is where you need to enter your own OptimizePress login. So this is one of their security measures to make sure that the licenses are not being distributed illegally. So this is my own email and my own password. I'll click on it. And here it says OptimizePress client is requesting permission to access your account. So we click on the green button, authorize. And we're done. That's it. So OptimizePress is ready to go, and you can see that there are a couple of options here, is that you can install the Optimize Builder and a Smart Theme. So I like the Smart Theme as well, but that's not my intention of doing this video right now. I'm going to focus more on the builder itself. So just click install on the Optimize Builder, and it's done. So yes, the page builder is ready to go. That's it. Okay, and now we can click on activate, and done. Alright, so how do you know it's done is when you see the menu on the left, there's an option to create new page. If you click on it, and you'll be able to view all these templates that you can just begin building your pages on. Alright, so I'm going to end the tutorial here. If you want to know how to use OptimizePress as a page builder, I've recorded another tutorial on that, which I'm going to drop that link in the description of this video. Alright, so that's it. My name is Edmund. Take care.